Hi everyone, welcome Car World today. On this channel we will discuss the current world of cars and car production for the coming year. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Rolls-Royce Cullinan latest production and design in 2025. Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a luxury SUV that was first launched in 2018. This car has become one of the best-selling luxury SUVs in the world. In 2025, Rolls-Royce will launch the latest production and design Cullinan. Production. The latest production Cullinan will be produced at the Rolls-Royce factory in Goodwood, England. This factory has undergone modernization to increase Cullinan production capacity and quality. Design. The latest production Cullinan will have a more modern and elegant design. The most visible change is to the front of the car, which now has a wider grille and sharper headlights. On the side, the latest production Cullinan has sharper lines and a slimmer body. At the rear, this car has wider taillights and a sportier bumper. Interiors. The interior of the latest production Cullinan will be more luxurious and sophisticated. The most visible change is to the dashboard, which now has a larger infotainment screen and a more sophisticated climate control system. In terms of seats, the latest Cullinan production has more comfortable seats and more sophisticated massage features. In the trunk section, this car has wider trunk space and more flexible storage features. Machine. The latest production Cullinan will continue to use a twin-turbocharged V12 engine with a capacity of 6.75 liters. This engine produces 563 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. Availability. The latest production Cullinan will be available in Indonesia in 2025. Prices are expected to start from IDR 18 billion. The following are some of the new features that will be present in the latest production Rolls-Royce Cullinan. New infotainment system with 12.3-inch touchscreen. New climate control system with air cleaning capabilities. Front seats with massage and ventilation features. Luggage space with more flexible storage features. The latest driver assistance technology. These new features will further enhance Cullinan's comfort, luxury, and safety. Rolls-Royce Cullinan is a super-luxury SUV that was first introduced in 2018. Cullinan is positioned as the most powerful and luxurious SUV in the world. This car has a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that produces 563 horsepower of power and 850 Nm of torque. The price of the Cullinan in Indonesia is estimated at IDR 14 billion. Apart from that, the Cullinan also has quite wasteful fuel consumption. The Cullinan's claimed fuel consumption reaches 13.4 liters per 100 kilometers.